Hi everyone, my name is Urvin and I'm making this video to demonstrate my task 4.2 in which I have implemented the repository pattern and ORM, which is the object relational mapping using ASP.NET Core and PostgreSQL. So in this task I have improved the persistence layer by implementing repository pattern and dependency injection and also fast member ORM mapping. So firstly, I converted my static data access classes into non-static classes. And after that, I extracted interfaces such as iRobot command data access and IMAP data access to follow the inversion principle, dependency inversion principle. So here are my robot command ADO and this is my IMAP data access and this is my iRobot command data access. So these are these both are the interfaces that will be used by the fast member. So next, then I renamed my ADO.NET classes to robot command ADO and map.ado. As you can see, this is my map.ado, and then I have the robot command ADO here. So in this this represents the direct database access implementation. These two are the direct database access implementation using the PostgreSQL and NPG SQL driver via NPG SQL driver. Okay. So then I implemented the dependency injection in my controllers instead of directly creating objects inside the controller. So I injected the interfaces through the constructor that I have shown you, the robot command access and IMAP data access. So then inside the program.cs, I have registered the services like using add scoped. So here you can see in the program.cs, I have used add scoped here because this allows the .NET C sharp, which is .NET ASP Core, to automatically provide the correct repository implementation during a runtime. It handles it basically uh, performs the transaction on a single HTTP request. So this is the need of the add scope method. And for ORM functionality, I have implemented a generic execute reader method inside the repository layer. This method automatically maps the database columns to entity properties using the fast member. So in the here you can see this is the public execute reader. So what it is doing is this method is automatically mapping the database columns to entity properties using fast member. So I have also created an extension method using map2 to dynamically map SQL queries into my C sharp objects without manually assigning each field. Because in the above task in minimal API design, we are manually providing the objects to each of the field in the table. So in this task, this reduced repetitive code and improved the maintainability. And after that, I have created a robot command repository and map.repository classes as alternative implementations to the ADO.NET. So these repositories use the generic ORM based methods for cleaner and more efficient database. So at last, I have then tested these using the Postman by performing the CRUD operation. And at last, this task helped me to understand the repository pattern architecture, how the dependency injection work, along with the concept of ORM in .NET applications. So thank you for watching.